house edition. My name's Tony, and today we're going to be making chicken kebabs. So my wife was at the Ninja Foodi 101 Facebook page, you know, the one run by Salt and Peppa. Hey! When she came across some really important information. For all you people that have the 8-quart Ninja Foodi, the owner's manual said the skewers were included. After further research, she found out nobody got them. It was recommended by somebody in the group to give customer service a call and see what they say, because they got it for free. Well, lo and behold, they sent one out to us for free. It is for the 8-quart model only. They don't make it for the 6-quart. It don't fit, it's too tall. Well, they came in the mail yesterday, so guess what? We gotta make some chicken kebabs. Well, are you ready? Good, let's get cooking. Alright, so what I'm using for these chicken kebabs are some baby bell peppers. I like the little baby bells. They're sweet, delicious, and colorful. Summer squash, zucchini, of course chicken, little sweet cherry tomatoes, and 1 Vidalia onion. And for a side dish, I'm gonna use Uncle Ben's bagged rice pilaf. It's ready in 90 seconds in the microwave. Hey, I'm still in camper mode. You know, work smarter, not harder. And this stuff tastes great. It's gonna go great with those kebabs. So what we're gonna do is cut up the chicken into bite-sized pieces. We're gonna throw it in one of these containers. Now, if you don't have one of these containers, go ahead and throw it in a Ziploc baggie. Let it marinate for a couple hours. I use one of these. It hooks up to my vacuum sealer. Put it on there, throw it on top, suck all the air out, marinates in half the time. Works great. But again, if you don't have one, throw it in a Ziploc baggie. And for the marinade, I'm using fat-free zesty Italian dressing. Gives everything great flavor and a little twang. So let's get chopping. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Look how colorful that is. You know it's gonna taste good. Got the summer squash, the baby bells, the onions, the zucchini, the sweet cherry tomatoes. We have the chicken all chopped up in there, and you can smell that zesty Italian dressing. So now we're gonna put our lid on. I'm gonna run it through the machine and suck all the air out. Or again, if you don't have one of these, throw it in a Ziploc baggie, shake it up real good, and stick it in the fridge for a couple hours. Works like a charm. Let's give it another shake. All right, listen. Oh yeah. Ooh, look at that. Little onion, little zucchini. Now let's go ahead and throw some chicken on that now. Don't forget that bell pepper. Throwing up his chicken. Cheeky. We'll get a tomato to close it. Put that tomato last, it'll help anchor it in there. That's all I'm gonna make right now. Kid went to bed, he's tired. He had a long day at baseball in high school and all that good stuff. So that's all I'm gonna make. Still have room for 5 more though. That's a lot of food. So I'll just seal that back up, stick it in the fridge, and make some more maybe tomorrow. I know we're not gonna eat all that, but we're gonna try. All right, let's put these bad boys in. It has a nifty little handle in there, so you can just pick it up and gently put it in. Now we're gonna air crisp at 350 for 15 minutes. But after 10 minutes, let's lift the lid and look at it. We don't wanna burn them. All right, it's been 10 minutes, let's take a look. Oh, wow. Man, that smells good. Looks good, but it doesn't look done yet. But let's tempt that chicken. See where we're at. Well, the temperature's at 155. Has to be 165. So let's cook it for 5 more minutes and then we'll check it again. All right, timer's gone off. Let's check it. Didn't take me long to learn. 167. It's time to eat. All right, let's move big guy over so we can plate this up. Woo! Greatest machine ever, but it's friggin' heavy. Got the rice pilaf done. That was easy. No, this isn't my dinner plate. I'm putting all the food on it for everybody. Well, me and my wife. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Yeah, I'm gonna put it back in and take each skewer out individually. I hope it tastes as good as it smells because, it smells amazing. All right, let's give it a try. You are the chosen one. Get a little of that rice. All right, I'm going with zucchini first. Tender, has great flavor from that Italian dressing. Let's try that summer squash. Tell you what, that makes eating vegetables easy. All right, time for the chicken. Almost tastes like I took it off the barbecue grill. It may have looked like I was struggling, but it's super tender and juicy. I'm gonna put it all together here. Well, you'll find out in a minute why I'm saying so much. I thought maybe this whole plate was gonna. I thought we were gonna have leftovers. We may not. All right, I'm gonna try the rice. Even though I didn't make the rice, I'm gonna see how it complements this kebab. Oh, I got a little onion here. I forgot the onion. Oh man, that's like super sweet. The onion. For $20, I definitely would buy the skewers, but for free, it was amazing. I can see us using these a lot. So I have one question for you. Hey, Michelle, you hungry?
Starving.
Well, come on in here and get you some. Good, let's eat.